Wasted food! It is! What are you doing?
So, I don't know if this thing will work. We'll probably have to try it later.
And wasting $1,000 too?
Mom, it's not what it looks like. This only cost me around $50.
I will kill you up!
Let's take a little look at the damages so far. So, as you can see, this rock caused the most damage, I would say.
Hey, son, what's all that noise you're making out there? Is that my favorite decorative rock with Sharpie?
Mom, it's not, what it looks like.
Oh, yeah? Is this your laptop?
Yeah?
Now it's ruined!
Okay, thank you.
Oh no, son. That was only half of your punishment. Now, I cook you.
Welcome to day 3. Today, I'll get more into the standard. The MacBook does not pass the scratch test because it's scratched all over, so do not buy it unless you want it to scratch. Now I'm gonna test my wrist is scratch proof. Imitate the scary maze game video.
It's so narrow.